Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In this video, we will be practicing Guasha to stimulate the flow of qi, improve circulation, invigorate the heart, and support intestinal health. Now, let's get started. To improve the flow of qi and blood circulation, we will be following the pathways of the heart, the lungs, and other meridians that travels along the inside or the outside of the arms. For this practice, I recommend using a Guasha tool with an ultra smooth edge, as we will be working over many bony areas. I personally love this terahertz stone from Salmon Care. It naturally warms up as you use it and emits a terahertz frequency that resonates with our body's own energy, helping enhance circulation and healing. I will add a link and discount code below if you're interested. Lately, I've been experiencing frequent numbness in both arms while sleeping. It could be labeled as peripheral neuropathy, but I believe the root cause lies in stagnant blood and lymph, leading to poor circulation in the extremities, likely due to qi stagnation. So I started incorporating this Guasha routine before bed, and it is making a big difference. I can now sleep comfortably on both sides. To begin, apply Guasha oil. Try to cover the neck and shoulder, the back of the hands, and actually every part of the arm. I love the smell of this oil. We will use this curved edge of the tool, working on the inside of the shoulder joints here. This is where the long meridian originates. Do 9 times here. Then use the notched side, trace along your collarbone. From near the throat, goes out to the top of the shoulder. It feels really good. This helps with lymphatic drainage, also loosen the upper trapezius. Then we'll continue using the same notch side of the tool, coming down along the top outer edge and the inside edge at the same time. Go out to the thumb. So do 9 times. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. The long meridian travels along the inside of the arms, ends at the tip of the thumb. So continue following the same pathway, but this time go out through the tip of the index finger. That connects to the large intestine. The large intestine meridian is a channel pair to the lung, which is the yang meridian, pairs with the yin. The lung is the yin meridian. And then we will move to the outer side of the arm using this curved side of the tool. So starting from the shoulder, trace along the outer, the back. It's more like the back of the arm. Go out to the tip of the middle finger. Here we're tracing the triple wormer meridian, the sanjiao. It has been discovered maybe 5 or 6 years ago by scientists. Sanjiao is really the waterway of the body. And next, revert back to this notched edge. We will work on the bottom edge. If you hold your arms like this, the bottom along the outside and the inside like this edge goes out through the pinky. Here we're working on the heart. This is the heart meridian, and this is the small intestine meridian. They are channel pair. So start from the head of the arm, go along the bottom edge of the arm. It might be easier just anchor down your hand holding the tool, have your arm move through the tool, then through the pinky. I'm holding my tool at roughly about 45-degree angle. But since my Guasha is so smooth, it's the angle really doesn't affect anything negatively at all. The heart meridian helps regulate blood circulation and emotional well-being, while the small intestine meridian supports digestion and absorption. Together, they keep our energy balanced and our body in harmony. And then we're going to move to the inside of the arms. That's the general direction. When we do Guasha, we always work on the yang side first. That's the outer edge or the back of the body where it gets a lot more sun. And then the inside, the inside. This is the pericardium meridian, which is a guardian to the heart. Go through the middle finger. Think of pericardium as the moat surrounding the castle where the king lives. And the heart is revered as the king in our body among all the organs. Once we've done 9 times, all right, then we switch to the second side. We'll start with the origin of the lungs. So once we do 9 times, and we use the notch edge of tool to trace along the collarbone. This helps clear lymphatic congestion and release tension in the neck and chest area. And then continue along the top edge of the arm and go out through the tip of the thumb. Once again, following along the lung meridian and the large intestine meridian. This is great for the respiratory system. And then send it out through the tip of the index finger. This is where the large intestine meridian begins. And this meridian also referred as the meridian for letting go. Not only free flow of the meridian helps with constipation, it also helps release any emotional blockages. And move to the outer back side of the arm. The posterior side, go out through the tip of the middle finger, tracing along the sanjiao, the triple wormer meridian for 9 times. The sanjiao, the triple wormer, not only is the waterway of the body, it also regulates the temperature in the organs. A balanced sanjiao is important for the endocrine systems. And then the bottom side, along the bottom edge, coming to the heart and the small intestine meridian, and go out through the tip of the pinky. In traditional Chinese medicine 5-element series, Summer corresponds to the element of fire and to the heart and the small intestine in our body. When summer heat starts to rise, many people start feeling restless, anxious, or noticing a tightness in the chest. So summer is the season to take good care of your heart. So Guasha like this is very good. A practice for self-care, self-love. And move to the inside of the arm. Working on the pericardium meridian. The pericardium is a double-walled sac which encloses the heart. So it protects the heart. Once we get to 9 times, we are about to finishing up our session. Pay attention to how your body feels right now. When the qi flow being stimulated, so is the circulation. In Chinese medicine, qi guides the blood. We don't want qi stagnation to happen because that will impair the circulation. We all know circulation is everything. Take a deep breath. Notice how your body feels. More open, more alive. Just a few minutes of Guasha each day support your organ and energy flow. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time.